What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And if you're shocked because you're going, holy shit, he's in a BMW, then you haven't probably seen the video where I debuted this car or where I purchased it. Today, I'm going to look at another BMW. Yes, another one. Hashtag DJ Khaled. Another one. And another one. And another one. You know, when I go big, like if I get on a team, I got to get on a team heavy. So, you know, when we went Team Mopar, you know, we had like the Aspen, the Challenger, the Ram, the TRX. You know, we were going in. And now, you know, we're on Team Beam. I got Team Beam going. I got to build the team, man. So I got to buy the next whip. So we're on our way up here in a minute. We're going to be up here at, is it Motorious Motorsports or something? I don't want to butcher their name, but they're a nice little lot here in Jenks, Oklahoma. And the price isn't too bad. Oh, I forgot. He put this shade in here when I bought this. Yo, the price is right. Now we just have to plug in our scan tool. I want to do a compression test on the car because he says the check engine light and they couldn't figure it out. I mean, it is a BMW. It's not something that most people mess with on a daily basis, so it is what it is. But we're going to do our best here to see what they are working with and see if this BMW that we're going to look at, which you guys are going to get to see here in just a minute, is any good. We're going to see if we can make a deal and maybe come to some type of arrangement on a really good car. Okay, I see them over here. They got a little lot right here off in the cut. That's what's up, man. Oh, there's a barbecue spot right across the street. That is what's up. All right, so we are here. Let me pull off in here so we can look at this car. I don't see it on the front line yet. Maximus Motorsports. All right. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at that beautiful son of a bitch there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go check out this BMW Z3. Super clean. He jumped. Oh, is it dead? Oh, yeah, that's gonna throw codes. All right. What do you guys think about the black, the two-tone? It's a nice job. They did a decent job with this, with the black with the on the hood. I think this looks pretty clean, honestly. See, over here in the photos, I couldn't tell, like the rondelles and stuff. I'd want to replace those, but I have some of those. You know, replace the rondelles. Marker in the rear. She's not that bad. She is not that bad. There she goes. You see someone put aftermarket electric fans in. That they JB welded together. That's not bad. You mind if I plug this in?
Oh yeah, go for it.
All right. Now we know we're going to get some crazy codes because of the battery being dead, and I'm not really stressing about that. I'm worried about cylinder misfires, which a BMW will tell you if it's a coil pack, so that's not a problem. The hell is the damn OBD sensor? Oh crap! It's different than the Z4, huh? Alright, I'm gonna to Google that shit. I forgot these are on the passenger side, but there's some water right there. All right. Uh-oh. Where is the damn... Oh, crap. There we go. Whew. AC works. That's a positive. All right. Let's run this thing for codes and see what we get. OBD is right there. Oh, wow. Plugged in. All right. Nice little Kenwood system in here. We got a brake sensor, an airbag sensor. This is an M Sport. That's interesting. 162,000 miles. She is bone dry on gas too. Well, we won't be long on here. My bad. Sorry if the video was sideways there for a second. I'll try to fix it in post. But let's let this thing connect. And then we're gonna see if I don't know, seeing that water in the door over there and then seeing like shit like this where stuff's screwed in. I mean, it is what it is. They probably bought it from auction like this. It is what it is. I ain't mad at the hustle. Somebody will pay for it, but I know what kind of issues these can bring. European, BMW, yes. Oh, fuck. Hate when you gotta piss like a racehorse, right? Right when you want to do something. We're going to automatically search. Still processing. It's trying to find the damn car. Use a 20 pin connector. 16. Here we go. So, as I suspected, this one has, now it could just be a bad fuel injector, but it has a compression issue. That's what it's reading as, low compression. And that's not something I want to deal with. But I'm also nice enough to let them know. And I'll give them a heads up and let them know it's not for me. The brake thing is just a speed sensor, so that's nothing serious. Not a big deal. Pretty car though. I mean, if they got it for the right price, you could do something with it, but it's a little bit out of what I'm willing to spend and then have to fix all that stuff. So as much as this is a pretty car, it's gonna be a no for me. And I'll let them know what's up. But there it is. If you guys, one of you guys think that you're froggy and you're interested in it, you guys could come to Maximus Motorsports out here in Jenks, Oklahoma and pick it up. Guys, so I just saw Jason over here at Maximus Motorsports. I'm gonna do a quick walk around here of some of the cars they have available on their lot. So if you happen to be in the Tulsa / Jenks, Oklahoma area, you get a little idea of some of the stuff that they got. They have basic cars. They have cars that need a little bit of work. You know, it's a used car lot. They got newer cars. Look at that GMC right there. They got a Fusion. They even got a Prius for you eco-friendly bums. Look, they even got a Fiat in case you just want to be constantly fixing your car. They got one right here. That's even worse than a BMW. All right, we got a Dart. That Jeep's kind of clean, and you can see they just cleaned these up. This is nice. They just hit these with the ozone. That Mitsubishi's nice. They got some decent cars, so major shout out to them. You know, they were nice enough to let me come out here and film. Oh, look at this damn car right here, man. Damn. They were nice enough to let me come out here and film. And like I said, that car, just not for me. When it comes to like engine stuff, like if I get a low compression reading, it's not something that I can do. And shout out to them, because he was straight up. He was like, I'm gonna okay, well, that's what's up. I'm gonna let them know, and that'll be something that they probably run back through the auction. So I always love a reputable used car dealer that's like, oh, I'm not gonna try to pawn that off on somebody else. I love that kind of shit. So anywho's, time to head back to the city. Short little bonus video for y'all today. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this little video on this BMW Z3. Unfortunately, that one wasn't for me, but who knows? You never know. I'm on the hunt for another one. I'll see if I can find. I want a Z3. Now you know what my second car is going to be. So we'll see what we can find. See if I can find another one. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.